Okay, forget. Dearterialization, there is a pile mass. So why do vaporization, thermal vaporization, microwave? Microwave, the reason is rectal artery, their inferior rectal artery. So we'll form the hemorrhoidal masses. 66% superior rectal artery, even 15% have middle rectal, two branches, inferior rectal 15%. And there is a combination. For that, to avoid recurrence, to avoid prolapse, to avoid a bleeding. So we have to vaporize the pile mass with a laser or microwave radio frequency. That's a very choice. So we prefer a microwave. Microwave is a super energy. It ablate all the vessels and veins and artery. It works on the water. So the thermal energy is better than the laser. So we prefer microwave. Dentate line, mucocutaneous junction. I am entering in the pile mass. So laser required the cannula. This doesn't directly you can see. So under 30 watts, now we are ablating. Fire. You see now. Yeah. Now it's working and ablating. You can see the shrinkage, and color of the mucus. It is blanching. So this is the we are coagulated vessels, right? If prolapse, you do mucopexy. There is no prolapse here. Okay, right. Thank you. Right. Or you can do microwave cutting also. You can cut this, right? After coagulation, ablation, I am just cutting. But modern dearticulation with a Doppler guided hemorrhoidal arterialization with a microwave vaporization and ablation of hemorrhoidal tissue and the mucopexy. This is a hybrid technology and the success rate is more than 98%. That's painless. Recurrence is very minimal and it's very easily practiced. These two technology helps in future to become a gold standard.